Put a finger down, preppy edition. If you put about 5 fingers down, you're prepped. Put a finger down if you have ever gone shopping in a Sephora. Put a finger down if you own a vanity. Put a finger down if you have a skincare headband. Put a finger down if your favorite color of all time is pink. Put a finger down if you own any Drunk Elephant skincare products. Put a finger down if you have ever gotten a drink at Starbucks. Put a finger down if you have a Stanley Cup. Put a finger down if you own at least 5 to 10 lip products. Put a finger down if you listen to Taylor Swift. And last but not least, put a finger down if you watch Ella G Life. How many fingers did you put down?